We are pleased to show you the 2015 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: fog lights, Uconnect hands-free group, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, tilt steering wheel, touring suspension, tinted glass, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.